And then, as I talked about a while ago, we do offerings to these springs. We have to pray to springs to provide for us any moisture for our livelihood. In that offering, we provide minerals to these springs so we can make that connection so they can provide for us. In that, we also have, we get the water when we ask for rain. So if you look at those two elements right now, when you go to Wonderock, you have a concern. And the head people of water rights and minerals are foreigners. I'm talking about the water rights warrior of our Navajo Nation government. I think he's a Jew, a foreigner. And the head man for minerals, I can't say his name because it's hard. I think it's Tarzan or something. So these are our. If that's not this is not not the happening. He's under Washington. It's what that in that and that Hali Shitwana, they couch, able to happening. He was other, who has Nika. Alcohol. So that bothers me, my concerns. If you can send a prayer, maybe we can change that. Have our own people within these departments that take care of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Johnson. I'm going to go all the way down here to Chinola, Alberta, Leo. Give you 3 minutes.
I just really want to thank everyone here. With all of you being here, you're not just supporting the people, but you're also supporting all people. We have people here from all walks of life. We have brothers and sisters from the east, from the south, from the west, and the north. And that we're uniting here tonight. And just that our prayers are with you. Our prayers are with everyone. And as my closing, I like to close with a song, that as people, as the Neh, as all people, we recognize ourselves as children of this earth. That's that we recognize ourselves, and that everyone here will leave with good songs and good prayers. That those of us and that for those who are going on this journey, that they'll continue and that they can walk well. So I'd like to ask my father to come up here. I'd like to close with a prayer, so they're going to come back to me. But I'd like to invite my father and also some of the young people who are walking on this journey to come up and join me as well.
Yeah, I'll give it back to Shinola at the end here.
Just to mention reaffirming the treaty of 1868 1849. I hope the walkers, I know your main goal in 78 was to promote reaffirming the treaty, all the treaties, travel treaties. that is the foremost I'd like to stress, and I'm glad that you are promoting that again. Also, in terms of water rights, I strongly feel that as a Navajo people and with other tribes, to unity, to claim the entitlement to the Colorado River, the mainstem Colorado River. That way, we won't see our elders living under these power lines that is created as far as Navajo unclaimed water, Navajo labor, hooking labor generates millions and trillions of dollars in economic development for off-reservation towns and cities. We like to see our elders have indoor bathrooms someday. So that, in terms of water rights, can do that. In terms of renewable energy, wind and solar, we like to see that decision made at the local level, not from Window Rock, and creating these executive orders, because only God, Creator, has authority over wind and solar and water. Those are all renewable. Yet at the local level, the people have that authority also to promote that. So in terms of renewable energy, I think this group, I'd like to stress in Washington too, is that the production tax credit expires December 31st, 2008, and that basically goes to corporations off reservations, not tribal nations. I'd like to see that stress that Congress and those folks need to acknowledge that tribes need to be considered in this production tax credit, and why only until 2008? Why not another 10, 20 years? Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thomas Walker, a tribal chairman, I believe, from the Supai. Thank you. We got Austin, he did only as Ani, Washington, the Haagi, Okoya, Kaya, he did, Kobede, Belash, David, Ado, now so son of it. Ado ya de archin de jo e arje di ne ko e archin po wani hajo hada do ni ko e do a so ya de ko endo ni so so mede na se ke ya e gi archin no se archin ni bizadi e ya da ya tinde the car ne ya de na e do difference shido okay Abu Dhabi hadis here as three son in Finigi do ya ko ke da tourism she ya be another chapter area how so the big shido the beto ya da he da hando ya da izada all things shan to now mosaje here I want to thank my relatives at this time for our civil rights. You listen to our civil rights, the long walkers. I'm one of the walkers from 1978. I've been on the Trail of Broken Trees, 1972. I've been to the occupation of the public health PHS takeover, support of Wounded Knee. We were there on February 11th at Alcatraz. The morning prayers and we made the gyms to the ocean. And one thing I want the long walkers to do and remember, like this young man here, he's got a computer. Look in the website under American Indian Movement. There is the 20-point manifest preamble. In there, if you look in there, there's 20 points that we presented to Washington, D.C. in 1972. It says in there, Indian religious freedom and cultural integrity. What we did, we developed medicine man services to the Department of Corrections here in the state of Arizona, New Mexico, the Southwest, where our Navajo inmate has that right to use the medicine man services, the sweat lodge, and today when they re-enter our community, we want them to be part of the community, and I pray for all of you. All of it.